Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Aminujaman Niloy. Today I am going to give a video presentation on my course topic Requirement Engineering and Software Modeling. So here you can see my project title is TA Automated Online Contest System. Here I added a short description about myself. This is my matric number, which is A19EC4049. Here is my name, MD Aminujaman Niloy, and I am from section 2. And I am from project team 8, and my team name is Tech Analyst. So moving to the next page, here you can see I have added a short description about my project introduction and overall UI flow. So basically this system establishes a structure for submitting materials, participating in the judging process, and receiving results and awards. Users and participants will be allowed to post contest materials according to the established deadlines and standards. Aside from that, the judges will assess and score the contest test with the system computing their final score automatically. Because it saves time and can be utilized on a range of platforms and operating systems, the proposed system is a web-based system. After the judging process, the results will be announced, and participants will be notified and given the opportunity to examine the results during the announcement. The target audience for the RC Iskander Sustainable and Low Carbon Schools Exhibition Contest is the participants and judges. Our project's objective is to maintain a fully automated online contest system. Customers receive software applications with instructions on how to install and utilize the device. On the third page, you can see I have added the system and the goal of the project. The planned system's goals will be to recognize and solve problems, or to suggest a better approach to address problems. The method that notifies judges of each participant's personal information rapidly. They can continue judging and save time by doing it online. They can comment on a participant's behavior at any moment. The participants can then go to the organization's website and upload their e-poster with ease. The participants will be notified as soon as the results are available, because the organizer will use our system to establish the time for the results to be released as well as the deadline reminders for submitting responses. As a result, everyone will be informed on every feat of the competition from start to finish, and they will be unable to make any more mistakes. On the fourth number page, you can see I have added a goal diagram for release, result, and rewarding process. Here you can mainly see the goal diagram, and which also describes in many sectors. Here you can see on my diagram. Okay, so moving to the next page, you can see I have uploaded the screenshots which you can also set as a sample of my UI flow. This is a login page, then comes page number 1, 2, page number 3, 4, 5, and lastly 6, 7, and 8. So you can see I have added here 8 pages screenshots with the login page. After that page, you can see I have added UC diagram, which is system accomplishments, my project title, and my user case view the result. Here you can see the UC diagram for my user case. On the next page, you can see the assigned use case specification as in phase 3. This was an individual task, and I have added my use case specification for UC009, which is view result. So on this table, you can see I have added some description about the use case specification. Mainly I have added here some preconditions, actors, recipients, alternative flows, etc. My use case name, which you already know, it is the view test result. Then the description, which is after the activity end, participant can log on to the system to clock their result. Here the actors will be the participants. I have added normal flow, alternative flow, and exception flows on this table. So after this page, you can see a related activity diagram that align to UC flows. So now I'm gonna show you my prototype demonstration. So for recording my prototype work, I have used the app Figma. By the help of this app, I have made my prototype. So here you can see this is my login page of my prototype. You have to enroll here your username and password. Then you need to go to the next page. So how can you go to the next page? You need to click on the sign in button. Then you need to see the next page, which is here written, welcome to the result management system. So on this page you can see the document of the whole result, which will be attached here as an PDF. So moving to the next page, here you can see if the result is published or not. If it is published, then you can click on the PDF and it will be here like this: file has been downloaded successfully. So after that, here a page will come where you have to enroll your name, your title, number, email, everything. Here you can use your photo as the username. You need to change your name here, and by enrolling this you can just simply edit the options and you can move on to the next page. Here you need to click on the view result. There you can see some options which you need to fulfill to visit your result. Then you need to click on the button which is request result. If you click on the button request result, here you will see again this page which is asking for your PDF to be downloaded. Then you can just click on the PDF. It will be here comes like the file has been downloaded successfully. Then after that, if the result is not published, then this will be shown that the result has not been published yet. So here you will see an blank file. But you can just go to the next page where you will see an option like how we may help you. Here you will see some options that you can click which is useful to you. So on the last page you will see an sign that is showing you the page is loading if you click on the last page on any options. So this was my prototype demo, and moving back to the PowerPoint slide, I need to finish my self-reflection during this requirement engineering course. We are in the age of computer science, and practically all humans and organizations rely entirely on the software. From this course, I have learned that the most crucial component of the software development lifecycle is requirement engineering. This phase is designed to turn the vague, unmet wants and the desires of potential software users into complete, precise, and formal specifications. The specs serves as a binding agreement between the software consumers and creators. Software models are representations of software designs. This software design is usually expressed using some form of abstract language or images. I have also experienced that models are a type of description that is frequently used in the software development process. So, you may ask how this high fidelity prototype is aligned with my overall RE understanding and knowledge. This high fidelity prototype has helped me understanding the overall requirement engineering and gaining knowledge about it. It has helped me understanding what the customers want and analyzing the need, determining the feasibility, negotiating a reasonable solution, clearly specifying the solution. All the systems are covered by the requirement engineering. It concentrates on determining whether the system is useful to the business, identifying requirements, converting these requirements into a standard format, and ensuring that the requirements define the system that the customer wants. Requirement engineering techniques help us deal with the complexity by breaking down big situations into smaller pieces so we can be better understand them. So this was my prototype demo presentation, and I want to ask your forgiveness if you see any of my mistake. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.